testimonials like on a weekly basis in dollars. Hello guys, it's Taurus Mamos here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be introducing you guys to a business model, a business that will teach you that can generate income for you on a daily basis, and you can withdraw weekly. Yes, you can withdraw your money weekly, and this is the amazing part of it. You get paid in dollars. Yeah, you get paid in dollars. So it doesn't matter if the dollars increase, it keeps on inflating. If it keeps on inflating, the better the money. So I'll be introducing you guys to this business model. Now, in today's world that is fast-paced and is digitally driven, your mobile phone is not just a communication device. Again, it has developed into a powerful tool that can generate opportunity and potential source of income. Now, with the right knowledge and strategy, you can use your mobile phone to generate lucrative source of income. So this business model, how it works, is just for you to sell other people product or service and get a commission for whatever revenue is generated from that stage. Say for example, the clothes I'm putting on or the hair I'm wearing, I go out with this, looking like this, and someone sees me on the road and asks, girl, you look fine, I love your hair, I love the dress, where did you get it from? I want something like this. And I call my customer and tell the person, I have someone that is interested in buying the hair and buying this dress. I connect them, and the stranger or a friend that would like my hair and dressing will go get his or her own. You understand? Now, doing that, I don't get commission. The highest I can get, oh, thank you, you did so very much for me. Thank you for bringing customers my way to get more product. I didn't get any. The highest I got was just a thank you. But with this platform, you can get paid for every sale you make, for every product you sell. By people clicking your link, you can get paid for every sale you make. Now, this business model is called affiliate marketing. Right? This business model is called affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions, to earn money for every sales you make when you sell a product or a service, and whatever revenue is generated on that product, you get a commission. You earn a commission for that. Now, by doing this business, you need a platform. There are different platforms that you can use to do this business. So today's video, I'll be showing you guys one of the best and hot and amazing and thrilling platform you can use to do this business, and that platform is called Digistem. Yes, Digistem is an amazing and wonderful platform that you can use to carry out and run your affiliate marketing. Now, what does Digistem do? Digistem have different products online, different products like product that can teach you how to generate income online, product that can teach you to turn your WhatsApp into money making machine, product that can teach you web design, graphic design, and many digital skills product. It's really saturated with enough products that will add value to the lives of people. Now, Digistem is this platform that has this kind of product. So what you do is take a product, pick any product there, and recommend it to potential audience that would be interested. Remember, it's to give value. The product should give value. Recommend it to and sell it to potential audience or buyers that can buy this product, and after buying this product they'll have value in their life. So that is pretty much all about this. Digistem is an amazing platform if you want to start affiliate marketing, and whatever sale you generate on this platform, you get a commission. Now, people have been cashing out on this platform daily. I myself am testimony. There are other people that also have this. Now I'll be showing you some testimonials like on a weekly basis in dollars. I will show you testimonials of people. Guys, Digistem is one of the best affiliate marketing platform for you to start your affiliate marketing business. Aside from the income you'll be generating, the lucrative income you'll be generating from this, you get to travel around the world. You get to travel to different countries in the world, and you can own your own personal car, brand new, not Tacoma, not single-handed cars, brand new terrible cars. You get to live the dream life that you've always imagined, you've always envisioned. This digital platform is changing lots of life. Like seriously, it's changing lots of life. If you're a 9 to 5 worker, a student, a stay-at-home work, and you're looking for an extra source of income, passive income, Digital platform is the right platform for you to start your affiliate marketing. It will transform your life so amazingly. How can you get started now? You can get started by registering directly by going to the website directly and register, or that's the first method. But the disadvantage of doing that, or of registering directly, the disadvantage of doing that is one, you don't get to have high commission. You get to have just like 10% commission. You don't get to have high commission for every sales generated. You don't have a supportive group that will nurture you until you're fully grounded in this business, and you blossom like the flower, and you flourish like the flower you are, and you blossom and shine like the star you are. So you don't get to have that supportive group or coach or mentor that will guide you through that. That is one disadvantage of registering through that platform. One, your commission percentage is low. You don't get support. You know, this is as starting that you need the support, all the support and coaching you can get. So that is the first method, registering directly. Why the second method is through the word UMM course. Now, through the UMM course, this is a product that Digistem has for its affiliate marketers. So this course, you go through the course, and this course there are lots of the content of this course. I've gone through the course and I discovered that the content is even way more than the money is what more than the money paid. Yes, that is during doing this course you got to learn how to to start your, like, have that mindset of making money online. You have to learn how to build your website, to build your blog, to build WhatsApp, to turn your WhatsApp as a money making machine. You also got to learn graphic designing, web designing, and so on. And the bonus of this course is that you get to learn how to monetize your YouTube, how to create a YouTube channel, land page, create a YouTube channel, and monetize your YouTube. How to use the social handles to create funnels, to turn your prospect buyers to hot buyers for your product. How to use SEO tools, that free SEO tools that will be given to you. Now, like I said earlier, this product, the content of this product, this course, this UMM course is worth more than the money paid. So this is the second way you can apply, and with this you get to have supportive group, mentorship, and also you'll be added to DigiStem Telegram group, which teaches on a weekly basis. They train their affiliates on a weekly basis. So the second way is the best way to get registered. It's registering through the UMM course. Just costs 20,000 naira plus charges 20,000 naira. That is all. Like the things you're getting for this product compared to the money being paid, the worth is is extremely high. So I would advise you register through the second method, but whichever way you want, you can choose the first method or the second method. If you want to register through the second method, I'll write it with you, I'm supportive with you. If you want more info on how you can get registered the second way, click the link below on my description, and I'll be right with you there and explain more on this video. So let's start making money. See you guys in my next video. Bye.